This episode explores giving new life to outdated electronics through simple repairs, modular setups, and responsible disposal. Begin with a quick diagnostic, replace a worn battery, clean ports, and donate or recycle devices that can no longer be fixed. In a real-life example, Maria revived a decade-old laptop, installed lightweight Linux, and now runs free coding workshops. She sources second-hand parts, designs a modular desk setup, and teaches others to extend gear life rather than replace. Share your repair journey, join local swap groups, and help transform e-waste into community knowledge and resilience.